What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Bob. Was actually requested by some of you, but I've had to pick and choose kind of which meme coins I'm covering because right now, I mean, take a look at this. It absolutely looks crazy, and I know that most of you know this as well. If you take a look at the top gainers and you do it with volume, all of these meme coins, it's just absolutely crazy. So I have to pick some of them. I wanted to pick Bob because Bob is actually it's doing fairly well, and the volume is absolutely amazing. I think it's one of the biggest volumes. Oh, I can actually not see it right now, but yeah, and it was requested, like I said. But in this video, I wanted to take a look at Bob. Wanted to give you some tips, some kind of some tips and tricks in general of what to expect, when to know how to sell, that type of stuff. Right now, meme coins are like really in the last hour, we've been struggling a bit. Pepe has been falling. Some other cryptos have also been falling, but we'll talk about what that means for Bob, because Bob is actually still technically bullish. So yeah, volume right now is around 62 million. You can see that it actually went up with this sell, a massive sell in the matter of like 10 minutes. Over $8 million in Bob was sold, so that's whales selling. You should always be kind of worried when that starts happening. But yeah, let's also talk about the technicals. But before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, I have my own trading signal group. Check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. And there you'll find instructions on how to join, but also trade results. We've been very profitable so far. So if you want to make some money with little effort, check that out. But now to Bob. So as I said, volume is all covered. If we dive into the technicals, and hopefully you can still see this, what you'll see is that we found resistance here at this level, and I'm going to call it 2000, all right? But technically it's 0.0002. Just calling it 2000 for simplicity. So we hit that level, obviously a major psychological resistance level. So that makes it very strong. And what you tend to see is that cryptos like these, it's another trick or tip, is that they react very well to two types of levels, psychological levels, so 15, 2, 20, 10, 5, you know what I mean, and Fibonacci levels. So we got to that level, that all-time high around 2000, and then from there, really the next key level, the last level we broke above, is this level right here around 1700 and 1650, where we also have the 236 Fib. I would say, and that's usually another trick for rallies like this, rallies usually continue until you get some sort of a bearish breakout. So as you can see, we've not had a bearish breakout since basically this big rally started the 4th of May. Here we broke above 900, did not break through it. Here we broke above 1200 and 1250, did not have a bearish breakout. Now we broke above 1600 and perhaps even 1500. You can drag down to it, but we did not break. We did not break below it until now. Now we're actually pressuring it, and I would say the main level really is around 1600. So for Bob, that is everything that matters. If we drop down below 1600, I cannot show it well on the chart now because I cannot for some reason show you some. Like put some arrows on the chart. But if we break down below 1600, I think we're dropping down first of all down to 1300, but I think ultimately we're dropping down to that 1000 and 1100 level. So that's quite a big fall. That's from the all-time high, a 50% drop. If we are, on the other hand, if we are able to hold that level at 1600 for the next 24 hours, let's say it like that, then I think we can actually get a new all-time high. So that definitely is possible, but it just, and that's the beauty sometimes of technical analysis, it depends on the movement. If we drop down below 1600, I think this is the all-time high, at least for the short term. But if we can stay on top of this, let's say for the next 12 hours, all right, because there's quite a lot of bearish pressure now. So if we can hold that for the next 12 hours, that already says something. If we can do that, we can get up to the next price target, which I'll take a psychological level as my price target, and that's 2500. So yes, we can get there, but only if we can hold that 1600 level as a support. So yeah, I'll keep you updated on it, of course, but for now, this is my take on Bob. So thank you for watching, take care, and bye.